vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, know you're maxing back. Look at the way they
Hi guys, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. Welcome to my channel.
want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't do for. Yeah, I know what you want. You got it gorgeous. You bet you're tugging. It's talking me nice. Just ease it up on me. I'm fighting the feeling. I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes. The way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on?
So for today's video, I'm going to create this look using the new Huda Beauty Sand Haze palette. This is another obsession palette, so get ready.
You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for it. You've heard some things people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air. I've made my mistakes. I've learned how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Reading the signs, we've all got our damages. I don't wanna play it safely. With you, it's different. You've been what I'm missing. Real talk, no fiction. I get lost in how it feels.
So this foundation is the Soft Matte Foundation from NARS. It is fairly new and my color is Barcelona, that's medium 4. So this is supposed to be a natural looking foundation that is a matte. It's very matte for my liking. I don't know if this is going to be good for my skin. I'm already 35 and I have some lines on my face that I don't want to emphasize, and matte foundations tend to do that. Also, they said this is supposed to be a very natural foundation. It looks like I have a mask on my face. We'll see after I put another layer. Right now, it is very sheer, kind of ashy. I don't know how to feel about this foundation, but we'll see. Alright, I think that's enough. It is very smooth on my face. It actually looks good, but on a camera, it's very white. This is too white for a Barcelona medium 4. I'm not sure if it's a white cast. On camera, it's very white, but in person, it's not that white. It actually matches my skin. So yeah, I think the light is reflecting and it's not very camera friendly. I like this brush. This one is from BoxyCharm. I've never used it, just today. Foundation is actually dry now, even though I'm still blending with the brush. I think this foundation is better with a brush. Doesn't really budge. It just smoothens out. For my concealer, I'm going to use NARS. This one is the Soft Matte Concealer and my color is in Ginger. I also use Custard sometimes just to brighten some parts of my face to highlight. And I also use Macadamia when I run out of Ginger. This half of my face has concealer and the other half doesn't have concealer. You can still see my freckles peeking through. So far I like it. It's not that heavy for a creamy in a pot concealer and it's not very oily. Okay, so this soft matte is drying now. Wow, the concealer has dried too. And I don't know if I need to set powder, but right now I'm just gonna let it dry and see what it's gonna look like. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. At the moment, I love this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo. I haven't used this for a very long time. I saw in my collection, gave it a try, and fell in love with it again. Don't you guys love it when that happens? And then I'm gonna go back to my concealer brush. I'm just gonna run whatever is left in the brush and clean it a little bit. next I'm going to contour with this Luminous Silk Concealer from Giorgio Armani. This one is in 11.75. Okay, I'm gonna blend that with my foundation brush. So I feel like my face is very round, so what I do is I put contour right here and emphasize it right here, right beside my chin. So it's kind of smaller here, goes bigger right here, so it's like rather than circle. And whatever left in the brush, I'm just gonna put it under my chin. So it creates that illusion, a shadow right here, and then drag it right here as well. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of contour on my nose. I'm going to use a smaller, denser brush. Kind of made a mistake. So I'm just going to drag concealer right here. So I really don't think that I have to set my face. It's very dry now. I like the concealer and the foundation right now. It is not creasing on any lines on my face. I kind of like it, but it's very matte for my liking. Kind of like that radiant effect. And I'm also not very young anymore, so it doesn't really show that radiant side of my skin when I'm wearing makeup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this Kylie Cosmetics. This one is the loose illuminating powder. Okay, for this product, I'm going to get a very loose brush that you use for blush or any powder. This one is from e.l.f. This one is small tapered brush. So I'm gonna get that, tap, tap, tap. So it's not too chunky on the brush. I'm gonna tap, 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 and you'll see it gets smaller and smaller. So I'm just gonna put this wherever I want the radiance on my face. As you guys can see, my forehead has radiance now, and now my cheek is looking healthy, and that's the radiance that I want to see on my face. This is surprisingly beautiful. For my blush, I've been loving this Colourpop Cosmetics blush. This one is in Meteor Rite. It's a peach muted blush. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna use the same brush I used for the loose powder. I love blushes. This is a very muted blush. You can't get wrong with it. Very subtle. I'm gonna put that cheek and then here as well to give you that very youthful cheek. I'm gonna put it like high up here to lift my face up. Next, I'm gonna use these bronzers. This one is the KKW Beauty Powder Contour and Highlight Kit. This one is in the medium. This one and this one, I just mixed them and just blend it on my face. This orange right here is very scary in person, but on the right complexion is so beautiful. And I'm also gonna take that on my nose, just a little bit. All right, I think we're ready for the eyes. For today's palette, I want to use this Huda Beauty Haze Sand Haze Obsessions palette. I love the packaging, like how the rose gold, it looks like, what do you call that stone? The pink love stone. It is so cute. It is transparent. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm so excited to try it today. Woo. For my first shade, I'm going to get this pink right here at the center. This one is the JH35, and I'm gonna put this on my crease. This shade is very forgiving. It could be a blush. All right, next I'm gonna get this color right here. It is a medium red brown. Back the outer corner of my eye. Also, I'm gonna pack that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just building the colors so it shows up a little bit more. And with the same color, I'm gonna put that under my eyes and then connect that to the outer corner of my eyes. Alright guys, I'm gonna swatch the metallics and see which one is the best for the look. I think this one is gonna be really pretty. This one is the gold. The red one. These are all so pretty. And the pink one. I think this one is the topper. Right, next I'm going to use this Give Me Glow Glitter Shadow Primer. It's a glitter glue, but it's clear. The pink topper right here, the glittery one, is the last one that we swatched. I'm going to go back with a brush and slightly blend it right here on top. I'm going to use another shade. This one right here, this is the red one.
crossed my heart. I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately it got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I, you and I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities, lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I.
Alright guys, so this is it for my video. I hope you guys like this look as much as I do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!